In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the radiator fan assembly on this GMC Sierra. This is going to be located under the hood behind the radiator. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this tube. Just push down on this lock, slide this back out of the way. There's another one on the other side. Disconnect this one. This one I'm going to push up, slide that to the side. We're going to loosen up the worm clamp right here using an 8mm socket. Loosen that up. Using a 8mm socket, loosen up this worm clamp. You can slide this pipe off. And just grab the box and pull it back. Now the wiring harness has a retainer attached to the fan assembly. We'll just use a prying tool. We'll just use a trim tool. Pry those out. Same on the other one. Pry that off. Out of the way. We're going to disconnect the connector. There is a little lock tab here. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just try to release the lock. That little lock. Push down on the tab, slide it out. And on the other fan, we're going to do the same. There's this little lock tab. Just release the clip. Slide that out. And push down on the button. And it comes right out. Now using a trim tool, there's some retainers. You just want to pop those off the housing. There you go, pop that off. And right here, pop this one out. And one more on the other side. Just pop those out with the trim tool. Those are disconnected. Alright, take these clips off. There's a hose. Just use a trim tool. Get underneath them. Just pop the clips out. Do the same on this one. Try to pry that out. Just going to use two trim tools. Pry that out. Set that aside. I'm going to take the bolts out on the side. Use a 10mm socket. There's the bolt. And same on the other side. 10mm socket. Pull that out. Now on the driver's side, we have the transmission cooler lines going into the radiator. We're going to pop those out. There's a little cap right here. Just move that cap. There is a special tool to remove this clip or to move it so you can pull the line out. But if you don't have that, just use a pick. Just pop the clip out. I'll just rotate the clip off. And there's the clip. Make sure you can see it. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath and grab the line. Just pull it out. Just pull that out and out of the way. And take the top one off. Just move that cover just with the pick. And same thing, if you have the tool, use the tool. If not, we'll just use a pick. There's the clip I'm trying to show you. grab the line. Pull the line out. I'm just going to twist it out of the way. Just like that. That should be good. We'll grab the fan shroud, pull it up, and we'll just rock it back and forth. And it comes right out. I'll take the new fan, and we'll slide this in the same way it came out. Just rock it back and forth. And then you want to slide the bottom 2 feet in the bracket, and that's good. All right, it's all set. Yeah, I'll put the bolts in. Get those started. And tighten those down. Snug that down. Do the same on the other side. Snug that down. And take the clip. We're going to put that on the fitting that's on the radiator. Lock that in place. Take the line. Push that in. Lock it down. Push this little cover over the clip. I'll do the same on the bottom one. And put the clip on. Take the line. While we're pushing the line in, we'll push the retainer in the right spot. Make it easier. Clip that down and put the cover over. You just want to clean up the area where any of the transmission fluid dripped out. I'm just using a little brake parts cleaner. Just try to clean that up. Now we're going to connect the connectors. Just line this up, plug it in. There we go. That's plugged in all the way. Then push down on the lock. The retainer, get the retainer lined up. Set that aside. Do the same on the other one. Now put the retainers, push those back in place. Right there. There's another one on the line further over. Get that lined up, push that in place. That's good. Now push these in, line those up with that hose. That's good. Now I'll take this air box, push this in place, and get this snorkel tube on. And we'll tighten down the clamp and tighten this down. Snug it up and tighten this down. That's good. Now take the hose, get that tube lined up, lock it down, and same on the other side. This lined up. And lock it down. Now you want to top off the transmission fluid, find the dipstick, pull that out, and wipe it off with a rag. Take a funnel, and use the appropriate transmission fluid. You can check your owner's manual. And we didn't lose that much, so we're just going to put about 1/10 of a quart in. You can check the drain bucket, how much was in your drain bucket. That's good. Take the funnel out. You can insert the dipstick. To check the level, you want to start the vehicle, get it up to operating temperature, and then pull the dipstick out, wipe it off, reinsert it, pull it out again, and make sure that the fluid's in between the hash marks.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.